Hi everyone, we'll be making a beautiful tomato soup. It's a different recipe. It's a Portuguese style tomato soup. It's a real quick recipe. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to prepare, really few ingredients. So let's get to it. So we're gonna cut one onion, add some olive oil to the pan. We cut the onion in slices, thinly as you can. We're gonna add some mixed herbs in, dry is fine. Now we're gonna add some salt to taste. So I'm gonna add in 1 big tin of chopped tomatoes. And we're gonna stir it very well and let it boil for at least 15 minutes. Then you're gonna add some sugar to cut the acidity from the tomato, and you're gonna add some chicken or meat stock and then stir well. Close your pan and let it be for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you're gonna add about 2 to 3 cups of water to your soup. And you're gonna stir it and let it boil again. So you can add your eggs in. I've got 4 because this is a 4-person serving. You just add them in and don't stir your tomato soup. So after you've added your eggs in, let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes for the eggs to cook. And you're done. And you're ready to serve your tomato soup.